Welcome to Inspiring China, a channel that brings you insight of technology, business, and lifestyle. Do share and subscribe if you like it. Your support is my motivation. Infrastructure development is a vital component in encouraging a country's economic growth. It has a direct impact to productivity, transportation, communication, and trade. It also provides economic incentives to public and private sector participants. China, like most developing nations, has the advantage to start from scratch, without legacy concerns. China's impressive infrastructures, skilled labor force, and application of technology that build bridges, dig tunnels, or construct highways have shown the world what it means by China quality and speed. In this episode, I'd like to share some perspectives here. In an article on China's infatuation with infrastructure, the Wall Street Journal says, even China's staunchest critics express admiration at its capacity to build bridges, railways, and other infrastructure, feats of engineering made possible by a command-style political system. It is quite flattering considering anti-China narrative seems to dominate Western mainstream media these days. The first expressway built in China was in 1988. And by 2020, the total length of expressway has reached 160,000 kilometers, with a plan to extend by 47% the total length by 2035 to support regional economies. On average, close to 10,000 kilometers is being built each year. In a Chinese highway documentary produced by British TV personality Top Gear's Jeremy Clarkson, was astonished with the scale of the expressways, speed of the construction, and the magnificent architecture across the country. As Clarkson puts it nicely, there ain't no mountain high enough and there ain't valley low enough to stop the Chinese construction. China is no stranger to bridges. The oldest bridge still in existence in China is the Anji Bridge, constructed during the Sui dynasty, which took 10 years to build. So the Chinese has been practicing bridge building for at least the last 1400 years. Today, China's longest bridge, and it was longest, built is the Danyang Quanshan Grand Bridge, which spans 164 kilometers in Jiangsu Province, east coast of China. It cost $5 billion and 5 years to build. It is an important connection between Suzhou, Changzhou, Wuxi, and other nearby cities that help stimulate economic development in the region. Another bridge that is regarded as one of the biggest achievements in 21st century China, the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, is a 55-kilometer bridge tunnel system consisting of a series of 3 cable-stayed bridges, an undersea tunnel, and 4 artificial islands. It is both the longest sea crossing and the longest open sea fixed link in the world. The bridge is designed to last for 120 years, which cost $19 billion to build. The completion represents a new era that links mainland China and the 2 special administration regions, Hong Kong and Macau. This government plan that allows Hong Kong and Macau vehicles to travel into the mainland without new permits, which draw the economy closer than ever. Countries seem to be competing in building the tallest skyscrapers all the time. Dubai tops the list with the Burj Khalifa building with a staggering height of 828 meters. Among the top 100 tallest buildings by 2020, China houses 50 of them. China also holds a world record of erecting a 57-story skyscrapers in 19 days. The building is called the Mini Sky City, sitting in Changsha City. This daring project was completed by Broad Sustainable Building Company, a construction firm under the Broad Group, in 2014. The company also planned to assemble the world's tallest skyscraper at 220 floors within 3 months, but the project was cancelled due to local environmental issue. Chinese high-speed rail went live in 2008 and is the world's longest high-speed railway network and most extensively used, with a total length of 37,900 kilometers. The train runs an average speed of 300 kilometers per hour. By 2030, the railway network will grow to 45,000 kilometers across China. The planning and execution of the high-speed railway is more than aggressive. From its debut of running at 200 km per hour to the present day of the maximum speed of 431 km per hour, it remains the fastest commercial train in the world. High-speed rail is no longer news in China. It is already becoming a way to commute for work and holidays. Enters yet another new railway technology, a magnetic levitation transportation system, or maglev. Developed by Southwest Jiaotong University in association with the China Railway Group and train maker CRRC Corporation, the super bullet train is designed to top the speed of 620 km per hour. Due to the magnetic levitation effect, one can push the 12-ton locomotive using just a finger. Although the maglev prototype train is about to be rolled off the production line, there's no track line for the 600 km per hour high-speed maglev train in China yet. Currently, the cities enter the stage of research and demonstration are Shanghai-Hangzhou line and Chengdu-Chongqing maglev line. Now hold your breath. China is yet pursuing even greater speed in maglev trains. In North China Shanxi Province, the North University of China and China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation have been ramping up the R&D effort in going one step further. Their futuristic transportation is likely to exceed 1,000 km per hour, according to the researcher at the university. Perhaps it should be called hyper bullet train. Building infrastructure requires two key elements: machinery and labor force. You need the relevant machines to operate and skilled workers to execute. China has both, lots of them. It is a globalized country for construction equipment, including earth moving, lifting and concrete placement, trucking, light equipment, underground construction, and tunnel boring machines. China construction equipment holds many world records. XCMG developed the 4,000-ton crawler cranes, the largest in the world, for the construction of nuclear power plants. Shantou has the largest 900 horsepower bulldozer. Zoomlion developed the carbon fiber boom concrete pump with highest boom of 101 meters in the world, just to name a few. With 54 million construction workers in the country working round the clock, are the highly skilled labor force building China as well as the world. For the last decade, China has involved in infrastructure initiatives in 35 African countries, with projects in hydropower, railroads, ports, and ICT sector. China has been helping Egypt to build its new capital, constructing the highest building in Africa continent. The brand new subway system in Pakistan was constructed by the Chinese. In recent years, subway carriages were exported to all over the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to tune in for part 2 and leave your comments. See you in the next episode.